Hey guys, welcome back. If you need to reinstall network adapters or drivers, then watch this video till the end. At first, go to Device Manager and then here you can see network adapters. Also in the drop down menu, you will see wireless network adapter, and this is the main network adapter of your PC. So if you want to reinstall, at first right click on it and then click on uninstall device. Here you can see the network adapter is uninstalled. To reinstall this, go to action and then click on scan for hardware changes. Here you can see the network adapter comes up. If you can't see, then simply restart your PC and check again. Please comment below if you face any issues. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.